Perfect.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby Thrift once again, back with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Back again here at Goodwill. This one usually has a lot of good stuff. I'm on a tight budget. I only have about $15 to $20 to spend, so we're only going for the bangers. But I'm gonna show you guys things that might be good and show you guys what's going on with them. Hopefully you guys, like I said, having a great day wherever you are. If you do enjoy the video, please hit the like button. And if you happen to be new here, which I'm sure you probably are, subscribe with notification bell on to be updated every single time I drop one of these videos, you dig? So I said I'm gonna do a better job of showing what I find in here. First, found this Lakers Adidas NBA jacket, fleece jacket type of thing, dry fit or something, like extra large is the size. Look at this Laker patch on the sleeve. This is fire, bro. Really good shape, really good condition. Everything's good on the zipper. NBA is clean. Probably needs to be washed maybe one time, but it's still in good shape. And then here you go, $4.99. We're not leaving here without those. Next thing I found was these, bro. Some Asics. Now, I know I don't have any Asics, but I know Asics to be a pretty popular brand. And look what I found here, Deadstock, bro. These are only $14, going for anywhere from 80 to 100 and something. Got the tag on them still. Bow. So these two are for sure shots. The next thing I was having a debate on is these Kobe's, right? I looked everywhere and I did not see anything about these Kobe's. Like, I didn't see anything about these Kobe's. Like, I looked on eBay, I looked on GOAT, no shoe. Seen a color very similar to this, going for like $400. It's like a team basketball Kobe, a limited colorway or something. If I saw more listings for it, I definitely would have bid on it, but I did not see any more listings than what was already there. I'm leaning towards passing on them. They're size 14. If you guys have any idea about these, let me know. I mean, I feel like, I don't know, it has to be cleaned, of course, but they're still a nice shoe. It's a Kobe. And then this one right here, something else I found that's for the low. It's a massage, you guys see it, massage extended back tension relieving heat therapy, man. This right here seems pretty plush, bro. Pretty plush. For sure shots is these shoes and this jacket. These two shoes are under debate. I would really hate to leave these, and they are what they are. I'm gonna keep looking for these a little harder to find out and see what else. Size 14, you see this, you see the outsoles, great condition, bro. So I'll show you guys what else, wherever else I come across here. You see they got some Air Maxes here, $9.99. That's something I wouldn't even try to restore. Maybe it could be a mission for some of you guys out there. I mean, the Air Max is still intact. Some ripping right there though. They got this camera here, like an old school camera. Not too bad. What about these? $7.99 for the girls. I'm gonna look these up because you just never know, even though I'm probably gonna pass on them. The outsoles look pretty good. I came here on a strict budget, so we gotta go with for sure shots. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go with for sure shots. But let's just take a look at these. So let me know what you guys think about these Hirachis. Just found these. Let's go take a look at them over here. Yeah, I had to pull over to the side because there's so many people over there, but these are not too bad. This colorway is pretty dope. Little sizes though. This is like a size 5. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Is this something you guys would pick up and flip? I feel like I would be sitting on them for a little bit. I mean, I don't really have the budget for this today, but I just want to show you guys what's going on. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? So what I like to do when I'm at the Goodwills, in between the carts coming out, after I've looked at everything that I want to look for, I always come over to the books and just take my time and scan through all that stuff. And this is what I'm about to go through now. Just go through the shelves until the next cart comes out. You never know what you can find with these books, man. People don't like selling books on Amazon, but I'm telling you, I haven't had too many issues yet, bro. Now, I definitely won't bore you guys with book talk, but look at this. I don't know what y'all think about this. I'm not picking it up, but that's a great book to have, How to Be Like Mike. Now, on the cart that just came out, they have some of these Coleman's for women's. What size is this? 7? Coleman shoes and shoes like this usually go well. I've seen people posting them up for like 30 or 40 bucks, but the only completed listing I saw, I believe, was like $9. So I'm gonna have to pass on them because I have a tight budget today. So I just want to show you guys different things, and I heard Coleman's are good. Let me know if you guys have any more information on these also. These boots look pretty unique, but I'm not even gonna go after them. I'm pretty sure they're not even for me. Bear Trap, $9.99. If you guys know about them, let me know. Just want to throw these out there so you guys can see what's going on and let me know what I'm passing on, if I'm passing on anything. These are Brooks. Are these Brooks or Saucony? Oh, these are some Sauconys. Could clean them up, but I'm good on them. Now, I'm not too sure what to do with these. These look pretty nice. Vintage Coca-Cola glasses. They got some weight on them. Got some weight on them. They're pretty heavy. $199 red tag, so it's the $199 price. Let's go ahead and look these up on eBay and see what they're going for, if anything. Another quick find here at the Goodwill. We find this Wii. There's the model number on the back. Focus in. There's the model number on the back, or the serial number. It's the console only, which can still sell. This is only going for $10.99. I'm gonna do something to try to hide it here. I can't get it today, but hopefully, you know, it'll be tucked away behind this stuff, and I can come back and get it next time I'm here, maybe tomorrow. For those of you guys selling on Amazon, I'm telling you, books are not bad either. Bestseller. This one here in used condition is going for $14.50. That's not bad. Ascent wasn't too bad either. Then we have this next one right here, pretty good. I think these books, for the most part, because I have other stuff and I'm on my budget, I'm gonna leave them. $1.99 for this. This one was going for, I think, $11 used. Pretty good Ascent. Same thing with this book here, I think 12 or 14 used. It's $1 today. I don't know. I'm thinking about scooping it just because it's $1, but I might just leave it here. This is not a place where I see a lot of people going to the books, so I might be able to hide these and come back and get them later, you feel me? So truth be told, I left. I had to leave, go meet up with my girl for lunch and everything, but the urge was just here. I had to come back, so now I'm back at Goodwill once again, because you just never know, man. They always get some good stuff, you know, throughout the day. So we going back in there right now, and let's see what else we find, you dig? Okay, as soon as I walked back in here, they had some things put out over there, and of course I always check out the books to see what's up here. I did check these 3 out. Okay, and after going after everything, these right here, I don't even think they're real Uggs. Plus the insoles aren't in there. I don't think those, they say something different on the outsole. MDK Sport, I don't think Uggs say that, so that's not real. This was only going for about 20 bucks on eBay, which is doubling your money, so I'm still debating on that. But the one that's for sure shot is this right here. This right here is going for $5.99. Like I said, if you open the box, this stuff is all in the plastic wrap. Everything's in the plastic wrap in here, and here's the manual. This thing right here is going for, as you can see on the screen, 89 bucks. 89 bucks for $6, bruh. Goodwill. And we're back. Here's the trials and tribulations, the ups and downs. This is why you have to definitely go through everything. As I double checked and triple checked it, this actually has been used. I wouldn't want to send this into Amazon as never used and then somebody buy it and send it back and it's all bad. So it was potential $80 for this, but it's not new, so I can't go ahead and rock with it. So we gotta put it back. That's just what it is. Just gotta put it back. So I found these track shoes, right? No spikes with them, but I feel like people can replace those. They're Asics, they're pretty dope. I see them going for like $25 to $35, I think. I feel like they might go for more. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Not 100% sure I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna keep looking at them and see what's good. But let me know what y'all think. It's probably gonna be one of the last stops because my battery's getting low. Seeing some things I have not seen before. We're gonna look these up. Never seen these Jordans before. We're gonna look these up and see what's going on. These Jordan 1 lows. These Jordan 1 lows are about to take over the summer. This is not a bad colorway. We're gonna look those up and see what size they are and everything. They only want $9 for them. And then these Rocket Dogs. Never seen them before, but we're gonna look these up and see what's going on. $9.99 for these, or $7. All right, so we found these Dunks too, right? But we got this in the back, which I can't repair, so I'm probably gonna have to pass on. The colorway is clean though, man. I feel like these are a special edition, but they're not. But these are from 2000s. Because these are from 2003, it's just making me hard to just say forget them, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna have to forget them. These are pretty clean, well, but the shaping is not a problem though, bro. Let me go ahead and get a closer look at these. I'm probably gonna pass. That letter's pretty soft. I don't know, bro. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. Okay, I could be mad or sad later. I'm gonna have to let these go. They are still in pretty good shape except for that back part. Outsoles is looking crazy. I mean, good and bad. I'm going with these. I'm going with the Jordan 1s. And these are official tissue, man. That leather on here feels pretty nice. What size are these? Oh, right here. Size 12 on that ass. When we clean these boys up, they're gonna look real nice. Now these right here, we saw these last time we were here. They're still sitting here, Jordan 5s. Would you guys, scoop this up and, restore it and then flip it? I'm not, but I just want to know what y'all think. This was the main reason why I was good on them. But just in case you guys didn't see the last video, I was gonna show you this one now. And yeah, without further ado. Okay, real quick before I get out of here, shout out to Nick Young. Here's his most hated. This might be like a shirt before things got popping. They really doing this thing right now with the most hated. This thing's going for $6.99. I'm good on it. I mean, it's actually pretty cool, but just for what I'm trying to do, I can't fuck with it today. What do y'all think though?